Yo, what's going on EDM YouTube? Welcome to another vlog on the old YouTube channel. So my name is Frisky. I'm an EDM content creator, go to a lot of raves, a lot of festivals, and I love to vlog about them. Today we have Nocturnal Wonderland in San Bernardino. Imagine got canceled the day before. So the squad and I decided to full send it to Nocturnal Wonderland. This is day one. Enjoy the vlog. So this is the outfit I got going on. Kandi from Kandi Bar. We have an entire Into the AM outfits, from the joggers to the shirt. Repping my lunchbox. Gotta rep the lunchbox. Going with a more like black look. So I think I fucks with it. So this is Gina. She's wearing lingerie for today. And then we got Julian. This is the man right here. What? They got buttons apparently. Who knew? And then this is my boy Eric. You seen him on the vlogs. He's making candy. He must have not heard. He must have not heard about Kandi Bar.
What's happening? Y'all alright?
We gotta do the check. ID check. Tickets.
Mask.
Credit card.
Yeah, I was like, oh shit.
Candy.
She just sent some fucking news. Let's see.
Dildos.
Dildos and pocket pussies. I have the electric pocket pussy, so I don't do any work really.
I want to get one of those.
I have a good service here.
Oh yeah, finally.
Yeah, I got 4 bars.
We just parked, so now our goal is to remember where the fuck we parked. We took pictures, videos, and we're checking out the landscape. Like, okay, this is where we parked, because every year I come here, this is like my 3rd year, I always have the hardest time finding my car. What's up, man? Picking up our tickets.
Let's do it. Today's gonna be a good day.
All right, so they asked us for ID, vaccine card, or negative test. They did check. Security is pretty lax. Yeah, I mean, honestly, getting in was super fucking easy, and there's like no line either.
Let's go.
The anti-social club, Mr. Mickey Mouse. Hello.
What Barbie?
Is that lingerie? Is that Victoria's Secret's lingerie? That's a nice fat ass. No, not cool.
You must not know who I am.
You must not realize who I am. Oh, you want to record me? I'll record you. Hiya! We're gonna go fill up our hydration packs. Over there.
How much is that? I don't know.
This is just where I'm at. If you wanna see.
Damn boy, he thick.
Damn, boy.
Oh, sorry, never mind. I can't say that. Some girl got mad because I said he had a big old butt.
He ain't got no
Why? Because
butt.
you were lying.
He has no butt.
That's awesome. I love your matching outfit in his lunchbox. I love your lunchbox. Oh, thank you so much. Damn, bro, who got you smiling like that? These fucking carne asada fries.
Oh my god.
I already ate my tacos. I had 3 tacos. Got it! Who got you smiling like that? At least you didn't pee yourself.
Make some fucking noise for
pee, but she likes this song.
That's
You gotta fly talk.
Wait the motherfucker. Nocturnal Wonderland, are you ready? Fuck it up.
So my boy here saw somebody passed out, went to go get the paramedics.
It's the army in me, man. Sorry.
The hero right here.
I'm just helping out, man.
But anyways, we're gonna go to the other stage because Nightmare's about to play soon, so we gotta go check him out.
Oh my goodness.
Oh my god. Oh my goodness. Oh my god, I cannot believe it. We got, it's a whole ass adventure going to the other stage. sitting down. My legs are tired. Audien, by the way.
But if you close your eyes, does it almost feel like nothing changed at all? If you close your eyes.
I know this guy. I showered to this song.
I'm playing this song at my wedding. It makes me
Yo, if you're out here partying with your best friends, I need you to put your arm around them right now. And put those fucking hands up with me one time. One, two, three.
This is my boy from El Paso. What are we doing in the Haze House? There's so many hills.
Oh yeah.
Let's get the fuck out of here. My friends. Come, my loved ones. Come. We're outie. Let's go. We're leaving a little bit early. What, 40 minutes early? Because we're driving, motherfuckers. You know how it is. When you drive, you gotta leave a little early. There was no internet service here. Made it really hard to make content. Rude. For my OnlyFans. Okay, so we are back to the hotel. It's the next morning. Yesterday was fun. We stayed at one stage for most of it. And then we went to the main stage for Audien, Nightmare, and Deadmau5. We did leave about, what, 35, 40 minutes, a little early. But we literally saw zero traffic because we did that. RIP Deadmau5, sorry, but we did see at least 20 minutes of it, so. But yeah, that was day one. And next up, we have day two.